Classroom allows you to assign classwork. Students can turn it in, you can return it to them, and so on and so forth. But what happens if you want to stop or prevent a student from turning something in later? Google Classroom has some options for that. If I was going to create an assignment in Google Classroom, if you give this assignment its own due date, so I'm going to set it for tomorrow. Now, this due date has the option to close the submission after the due date is met. Now, it does come with the caveat, since this is beta, that some students can edit some attachments after the due date. It does not give much detail beyond that. Examples include a Google form. They can answer the questions, but they can't submit their work. Programs like Edpuzzle or other third parties may work differently. For example, Edpuzzle, you cannot close submissions after the due date because Edpuzzle sets up its own due dates. Once you've assigned the assignment, students can only complete and fully turn in that assignment up to that due date. This is great for in-class work or other assignments that have hard deadlines like big projects or independent summatives. Now, during this process, you can choose to set this for all students, or if you have a student who may have some attendance concerns, you can assign this task with those settings just to that student. So I can assign one to everyone but this student, and then go back and reassign it to just that student. This is the case for any student and any assignment. You can assign to everyone or independent students who may need additional time or additional supports and differentiated assignments. Once you've set your permissions and who's going to see it, you can assign it, you can schedule it, or you can save that draft for later.